guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my own landing page for Instagram. So this is kind of like Linktree, but if you go on my Instagram, you'll see a little link at the top of my page. It says creaturesofnet.com/links, and you can click on that and it will bring up all of the links that are relevant to me, so your shop, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and anything else that you want to link. So I can show you how to do this using a Wix website. I know there's one that you can do using a Squarespace website, but I use Wix and I haven't found one that actually tells you how to do it with Wix. So yeah, stay tuned and then you'll learn how to do this. Alright, so what you want to do if you have a Wix domain, you're going to want to go to your site settings and you want to go into site actions, and then you want to edit your site. So if you're familiar with Wix, this is how you edit anything on your website. So just let it load and it'll come up with the little settings and display that you're familiar with when you have created your website. So this is my website, and over here you can see that there's like a page structure, so we don't really need to work in that. What we're going to do is go to the page tab, and then we want to go into manage pages and we want to add a page. And this will bring up a brand new page, and you want to rename it something that you are familiar with. So I named mine Instagram just for the sake of it, and when we're done with that, this is what we have. So you want to go to the three little dots, then you want to go to settings, and then you just want to be aware of we need to click the hide from menu setting. But first of all, what we're going to do is click on no header and footer. So this will get rid of any headers and footers that you have on your page. And you want to scroll over to the advanced SEO page, and you want to change your link to what you want it to be. So I want it creaturesofnet.com/Instagram, and then what you want to do is you want to add your buttons. So where you want the buttons to direct the people or your followers to your website. So I chose to go with the same color scheme as my website, but you can choose whatever you want. So you want to create a button and you want to name it what you want the link to be. So in this instance, we're going to call it shop, because I want a link to my shop. So we're going to go to the web address and not the page, because if you link a page, it will automatically link it to your website. So we don't want that, and we don't want any links that link back to the website because it won't have it hidden. So you want to add your web addresses to each button, and that's kind of important. Like I said, if you don't want it to link back to your website, and that means it will end up on your menu or end up somewhere on your website. So if you don't link it to your website and link it via a web page address, it will work this way. So you're just going to go ahead and make all of the buttons that I want. So I just have basic, Instagram and Facebook links. So that's what I'm going to add, and you can customize this any way you want. It doesn't matter how you do it. I prefer to go black and pink because that's what my website is. And you can customize it to look any way you want. I just really wanted a simple one, so that was the landing page. And you can see how there's no heading on the menu bar. So what we want to do is make sure that it works for mobile as well. So with Wix, you can swap and change between mobile and desktop view. So you want to make sure they're both okay. So then we want to go to the home page, and you can see here how it says Instagram. So how to get rid of that? This is what I was talking about before when you want to hide it from the menu. So we go to the Instagram page, and then we want to go to the manage pages and the three little dots settings, and that little hide from menu button, we want to turn that on. And you can see if I go back to my website, it is hidden from my menu now, and that way you don't have any links to it, or it's just purely a landing page for your Instagram, and this is what you're left with. It's still linked to your website, but you won't see it on the menu, and it only has a specific path to get to this. So you can copy and paste this into your Instagram profile. So whatever that website, that web browser, the web address that you created, that's what you will paste into your Instagram profile page. And that means you don't have to use Linktree. It's not a third-party app or anything. It's your personal website, so there's no traffic that goes anywhere else but directly to your website. So that's how I made my Instagram landing page, and I'd love to see yours, so leave it in the comments if you end up using this tutorial to help you make one. And that is it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any video requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!